Good morning, students. How are you? I think fine and doing your work properly. So now, today again we can start next part of maths chapter 1. We have done till example number 7, page number 11. Now I am taking one more example related to this. Example number 8 easily you can solve. If any problem discuss with me, I will tell the example number 9. Example number 9. Page 12. What's given? Show that 0.235335 continue like this is equal to 0.23 bar on these two number. Why? Because these both number are repeating again and again. Can be expressed in the form, which form? P by Q, where P, Q are integers and what? Q is not equal to 0. So we have done again, we are starting like this. Yesterday also solved one example. So you know what you can say. You can say let x is equal to 0.235 bar on two number. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So you can multiply this with what? Bar on how many numbers? 2. So you can multiply this with what? 100. Multiply equation first by 100 both sides. What's become 100? X is equal to what? What's become 23.5353 like this, or this you can write 23.53 bar. Yes or no? So now this is your second. Subtract first from second, we get, so left side 100, x minus x is equal to 23.535 bar minus 0.235 bar. So here is what? 99x is equal to what? 23 point what? 2. 22 point, sorry, 5 minus 2, how much left? 3. You can minus here 23.535 bar, and this is 0.235 bar. So this cancel 0, 0, and this is 3, this is 3, 2, so 23.3. So again find out the x is equal to what? 23.3 by 99. And what is this? X is equal to what? 233 by 990. Understood? This is the way of solving an exam. Another method also. Easily you can find out. I am telling that also. Like this, it's written 0.235 bar. Express in the form of what? Express in the form of p by q. You can write this complete. What may be 235 minus. That digit bar is not on that number. That is what? That digit 2. Yes? Yes or no? Bar on how many number? 2, it's meaning 2, 9. And bar is not on how many number? 1 number, so it's meaning 1, 0. So 233 by 990. So this is the way of solving this question in exam, competitive exam. So I think easily all of you understood this, and easily you can solve this. Now come on, exercise. Otherwise example number 10 also, at least try at your home. If you don't understood, I can tell you. Now come on, exercise. Which exercise? Exercise 1.3. Yesterday told you have to solve first question. It's written question number 1. What? Question number 1, exercise 1.3. This is given to you. Write the following in decimal form and say kind of decimal expansion each type. So like this first given 36 by 100. So how can you write this? You can write 0.36. So what type of decimal expansion? Terminating or non-terminating? Terminating. Why? Remainder after finite number of steps is what? 0. Next is written second. What written? 1 by 11. So definitely it is a non-terminating. Terminating why? Because this 11, 2 to this 11, or you can do like this, 1 divided by what? 11. 11 zeros are 0. Point, again 0. 9 are 99. Again what? 1. Again you can take 11 zeros are 0. In this way coming or not? 1 is this, 0 taking 11 zeros are 0. 1 more 0, 11 9 are 99. Yes or no? Continue going on this. So this is what? 0.09 bar. So remaining also you can solve. Next question given, very important question given. This is mainly students saying, sir, we don't understood this. Tell this question. Exercise 1.3. Its question is this. You know 1 by 7 is equal to what? 0.142857. And bar on how many numbers? All numbers. Can you predict what is the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7, or without actually doing the long division? If so, how? One time I am telling without division also I can tell you. You can check one time division of this 1. 1 divided by what? 7. So 7 zeros are 0. How much left? 1, 0. What's coming here? 0. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. How much left? 3. What's coming? 0. 7 fours are 28. How much left? 2. Again 0. 7 twos are 14. How much left? 6. 7 eights are 56. How much left? 4. 7 fives are 35. 5 left. 5 again. 7 7 ja 49. Again 1. Same procedure repeat here till here. So that's why written 1 by 7 is equal to 0.1428 and 7, like this written. So you have to tell this without a division, 2 by 7. One time find out where remainder is 2 in third step. First is this, second is this, third is this, and here is fourth. Or after decimal, which step? Third step, first, second and third. So 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? So you can start from here, 0.2. After 2, what's coming? 8, 5, 7, 1, 4. Again, bar on this number. Again, repetition start. Similarly, 3 by 7. 3 remainder where? In second step. So 30 will come, 7 4s are 28, it's meaning you can strike 0.4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1 bar. Same way like this 4 by 7. 4 by 7. 4 is here. Here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's meaning 0.5. Start from here. Write all 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8. And bar on this. Similarly, you can find out about this 5 by 7 is equal to what? 6 by 7 is equal to what? 5 by 7 is what's coming? This is 549. So it's meaning 0.7. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5 and bar. Similarly, this is here 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth one 1, 2, 3, 4, 0.8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, and what is this? Bar. So in this way you can solve. If anywhere any problem, tell me. I want to tell this 8th question also. Question number 2 told you. Third also you know how can express. Question number 4 also you know. Understood or not? Question number 5. Question number 5. Exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. What can the maximum number of digits be in repeating block of the digit in the form of expansion 1 by 17? Division you can make here. So like this 1 is divided by what? 17. You can solve it. If anywhere problem, tell me. Like this 0, this again 0, 7 zeros are 17 zeros are 0, 1 coming, 0 taken, again 0. What's coming? 5 ja 100 become 85. Then how much? 15. How much? 8 ja 136. How much left? 14. Then what's coming? 8 ja. What's coming? 136. How much left? 7 2 ja 34. Again how much? 6. 7 3 ja 51. How much left? 9. 17 3 ja 51. 7 4 ja 68. 17 5 ja 85. How much left? 5. 17 2 ja what? 34. Again how much left? 16. How much left? 16. Again what's coming? 0. 17 9 ja 153. Yes or no? How much left? 7. 4 ja 68. How much? 2. 17 1 ja 17. 3. 17 1 ja 17. How much? 13. Again 0 है. 17 7 ja 119. 11. 6 ja 102. How much? 8. 4 ja 68. How much? 12. 7 ja 119. How much coming? 1. Then again repetition start. So you can write 1 by 17 is equal to what? 0.8823358276477. What's coming? Are coming. So like this. If anywhere problem, discuss with me. One more question left. One more question. Which question? Question 8th question. 8th question. You can tell. You able to solve or not? I am trying. 8th question. Exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. Find the 3 different irrational number between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. If 5 divided by 7, 7 0 ja 0, 7 7 ja 49, 1. 7 1 ja 7, 3. 7 4 ja 28, 2. 7 2 ja 14, 6. 7 8 ja 56. How much? 4. 7 5 ja 35. So this you can write 5 by 7. How much left? 5. Again 7 7 ja 49, 1. So you can write 0.714285 Here is 9 divided by what? 11. 0. 0.8 is 88. How much? 2. 11. 1 ja 11. 9. 11 8 ja 88. Again how much? 2. So 5 by 7 also a rational number. So once again this coming 7 1 4 2 8 5 7. This also again summing its meaning. 9 by 11 is equal to 0.8181. Continuing like this. And here is what? Here is this 7. It's meaning till here. Again repetition start. And here is 0.81 this bar. So you can write 0.714285 bar. Here is 0.81 bar. In this between, in place of 1 you can take here 2. 0.72 what? 0 7200 72000 72. Continue like this. One is this. Another is what? 0.721 72. Then what you can write? 1. Then how much? 10. then 7 2 1, how much 0? 2 0. Then 7 2 1, how much 0? 3 0. Continue like this. Another irrational number. Then another 72 0.72. In place of 0 here 1, here 2, you can take 0. 7 2 2 00. 7 2 2 000. Continue like this. In this way you can find out how many irrational number infinite between the two rational number. So you can complete this exercise, solve this type of question, find out the irrational number between the given two rational numbers. I am giving some questions between 1 by 5 and 1 by, what you can say, 1 by 8. So you can say like this, 1 by 8 and 1 by 5. So in this way you can find out, you can solve how many questions of this type? 10 in your rough notebook. If any problem, discuss with me. Thank you all of you.